Today we pick up with our series on poultry production. In previous episodes we saw that when rearing chicks, one should ensure that the temperature in the house is monitored effectively. Thus, the house needs to be heated to approximately 32 degrees Celsius. Teaching the new chicks how to feed and where to get the feed is also important. This can be done by placing paper on the floor of the house in order to lead the chicks to the feed trays. Today, Santi Smith makes her return and she discusses more regarding the feeding of chicks.
Managing the feed in the first 7 days. It's very easy to manage the paper if your preparation of the paper is correct. The first 7 days, that paper must never run out of feed. The recommendation is to put out 65 grams of feed per chick onto the paper. Also keep the scratch trays into the house for the first 7 days, making sure that they don't run out of feed. When we start removing the scratch trays, we don't do it all in one go, because we need to give the chicks time to adjust. Remember, they're going to learn where to find feed and water, and you must make it easy for them. So when you start removing the scratch trays, remove every second one on the one day, and then the rest on the second day. Looking more closer at chick fonts. Chick fonts can be a huge source of bacteria and baddies if you don't manage them correctly. When there's chick fonts in the chicken house, you have to wash them twice a day. Remember, usually they are filled with vitamins, and the temperature in the brooding house is very high. We just spoke about 32 degrees Celsius. That is the ideal conditions for bad bacteria to grow. And we don't want to put that bacteria directly into our chicks. So we have to clean that chick fonts twice a day. We always recommend not to keep the chick fonts for more than 3 days in the house. Now that is when you have a nipple system as your permanent system. With a bell drinker system, you might have to keep them a little bit longer, let's say 5 days. The same as with the scratch trays. When we remove the fonts, we don't remove them all in one day. We will remove half the one day and then the rest the following day. We touched a little bit on vitamins and medication. Sometimes in the first 3 days, we put through vitamins just to give that chicken a little bit of extra to overcome the stress of placement. Please check that the vitamins and or any medication is in your permanent drinking system and the chick fonts. Because remember, some of the chicks will just go to the fonts and some of them will just go to the nipples.